It is 100% official. The new Dragon Ball Super movie that we all heard is coming in 2022 is 100% official, 100% confirmed. And we're on the new Dragon Ball official site. This launched simply because it's Goku Day over in Japan right now. Guys, really quick, before I even go further into this video, just want to let you know right now, I'm going to do my best to cover everything regarding this game. So if you're on the lookout for that, if you're excited for that, make sure to subscribe. We're halfway to 10K. Only you guys can make that possible. So homepage here, we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at the website here, and then we'll take a look at an official statement from Toriyama himself if you have not seen that, about the movie of course, if you have not seen that just yet. So here we have 5-9 Goku Day. Right now this is promoting the Granola arc. This is Piccolo Commemoration Day, so you can vote on your favorite, you know, Demon King Piccolo scene, Super Saiyan 4 figure arts, which is really cool as well, some fighter stuff, and then the official site being open, right, which is pretty cool. So this is basically the home page. If you go to the news section here, you can actually see there's a lot of stuff going on right now, but they got featured, they got books, they got anime, they got figures, which is currently the Bulma and Namek Saga Bulma and Super Saiyan 4 Goku, which is pretty cool. They got merch, which nothing's here yet, but I'm pretty sure, you know, in the future there's going to be a lot of stuff, you know, presented here. They got cards, which I'm guessing you guys can buy your cards from here now, which is pretty cool for those of you that open the packs and stuff. I don't know how that works too much because I'm not into the whole TCG thing, but I'm pretty sure you can probably buy it from here. We'll see. Games, this is probably going to be filled with a lot of fighter stuff, maybe. Maybe even like the DLC for Kakarot will be featured here. I don't know if you'll be able to purchase it, whatever the case may be, but you know, might be here. Events, I mean, right now this site is looking pretty nice, not gonna lie. In the bottom here, popular tags. If you wanted to get to something, let's say something's really hot right now, such as the figure arts, let's say Super Saiyan 4 Goku, you can just get to that right from here, and then it'll take you there. Then we got highlights. Highlights just seems to be, again, what's going on right now, what's the most hot, like the hottest thing right now. So basically everything that we've seen so far. When it comes to videos, now videos as of right now, again, this site being open, it's fighter stuff, but I assume that whenever game trailers drop, it's gonna be through here, right? Whenever, it won't be probably for like Dokkan stuff, but just general Dragon Ball stuff. So let's say a trailer, a manga trailer for the upcoming chapters, that'll probably be here, right? The trailer for the movie itself will probably drop here. Everything is going to be centered through this Dragon Ball official site because they didn't really have control of where it was spread to or where it was released, but now they have 100% control because they have their own Dragon. They have the official site now, so everything could be found Dragon Ball related here. And then featured again is just going to be all the popular stuff right now. So here's basically everything that's going on. Dojo episode. I don't know what all this fighter stuff is, but yeah, if you're into that, this is where you can find all that information. Now, when it comes to the official statement that Toriyama made, shout out to DBS Hype here, but this is the official statement. So, an all-new movie since Dragon Ball Super Broly is currently in the making. So, obviously taking place after Dragon Ball Super Broly. Just like the previous movie, I'm heavily leading the story and dialogue production for another amazing film. Hearing that Toriyama's behind it just warms my heart, to be honest. I really shouldn't talk too much about the plot yet, but be prepared for some extra and extreme and entertaining bouts, which may feature an unexpected character. We'll be charting through some unexplored territory in terms of the visual aesthetics to give the audience an amazing ride. So I hope everyone will look forward to the new movie. The big thing here is unexplored territory. This says visual aesthetics, so probably they're gonna be trying new, you know, techniques when it comes to art. But I can't. When I look at unexplained, when I read unexplained, dude, it's so. I'm long day. I apologize, but unexplored territory. I can't help but think of places that we have not like really seen yet when it comes to Dragon Ball. Again, I know he said visual aesthetics, but I think there's like a sub hint. You know, I don't know what this could mean, what we haven't really seen yet, but you know, you really never know, right? Entertaining bouts is going to be very interesting to see who's going to be fighting, and then an unexpected character. I want you guys to let me know right now, okay? Who do you think is the unexpected character? Obviously not Goku, obviously not Vegeta. Hopefully it's not like Trunks, Future Trunks, because we need to leave that man alone, to be honest. Broly. Even though we just seen Broly, it would be unexpected to see him again, kind of in a way, I think. Well, maybe not, right? I don't think we're gonna see Jiren. And when they say unexpected character, I don't think that means that we're just gonna see an unexpected character and that for like 5 seconds and that's it, right? I think there's going to be an unexpected character that's going to be heavily involved in this. Also, something I'm looking forward to is new characters and actual like some history between like for these new characters. I don't want to see just new random characters that have nothing to do with the story or don't really, you know, show a lot of, you know, what's going. It's going to be very interesting to see what they do. Now they could also make a new villain canon. I don't know how they do that. I really don't know, because again, this is in between Dragon Ball Super Broly and the Moro arc. Well, I'm assuming that it's hard to tell if this. I'm assuming it's gonna be before the Moro arc, right? Because in the manga, there's nothing that happens between Broly and I think it just goes from Broly to Moro. You guys can let me know down in the comment section, and if I'm wrong, I could definitely be wrong about that. I don't know everything, but I will say that this seems to be like a completely new thing, and I say new, I'm saying in terms of something we've never heard of before. This film, the you know, the plotting of this film and all that, the ideas and stuff might have been years old, but when it comes to the Dragon Ball timeline, the main continuity, this is completely new, right? So we don't know what it could possibly be. It could be, you know, some training that Goku and Vegeta does, maybe some Gohan stuff, maybe some Gohan action. Honestly, Gohan is low-key unexpected. That's how disrespected Gohan, Goten, and Trunks are. They could be the unexpected characters, which again, I really doubt it, but you really never know, right? Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.